As per the question, this is the given figure to us. On this figure, we are given that this is angle of 20 degrees and this is the angle of 30 degrees. This distance is marked to be 200 meters. Now here is the counterweight present on this side. This is the counterweight, that is of mass. M for this is equals to 4600 kgs. While here we have a cable car that is descending. This is the cable car. This has the mass that is 4800 kilograms. This is the mass. Now we are given that rolling friction of both the cable car and counterweight are negligible. So we do not need to consider those, and we need to find out the braking force